Hey, what's going on, guys? For your first percussion assignment, I have some stick control exercises for you. First thing, go to the percussion only folder, download the PDF entitled Stick Control Copy. There are two stick control exercises in the folder. You want the one that says copy at the end of it. And we're going to be working on the first 8 stickings through here. Okay, and we're going to disconnect everything. We don't want to connect it yet. No repeats. Make sure to take a look at the time signature. It is in cut time. And we're going to learn how to do all these different stickings and how to figure out connecting the dots for later. So one thing I want you to take notice to is the sticking at the end of each line compared to the sticking at the beginning of the next line. So for example, we take a look at number one. Number one has a left hand at the end of it. Number two has a left hand at the beginning of it. So when you're practicing this, you're going to have a double left because eventually we need to connect all these and play them without stopping. So working on the sticking at the end and connecting it to the sticking at the beginning is going to be very beneficial. So if we look at number one, it should sound like this. And double left at the end. Let's take a look at number two, getting into number three. Number two ends with a right hand, but number three starts with 2 right hands. So you have 3 right hands total to end this. It will offset you from the downbeat. You won't end on a downbeat. That's okay. I want to still get us used to having that number of stickings in there. So number two should sound like this. Okay, so we'll do that for all these. When you're practicing, make sure we're in between 3 and 6 inches. It's a nice comfortable height to help control everything. Making sure that as we're practicing our technique, I don't want anything up against the hand. I want some space between that so that our fingers can help out. Because there are going to be times where you're going to be doing more than 2 right hands or more than 3. You will have 7 eventually when we start adding more numbers here. But we're going to get used to having our fingers and our wrists work together here. I'll play through everything so you know how it sounds. All right, so this is 1 through 8. We'll have 4 counts in between each line. Okay. If you have any questions, you can find me on the Zoom app or on Canvas chat anywhere between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. when we get back from spring break. Good luck. Have fun.